Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we from group 10 and here we will explain about how to developing QuizWhizzer as a teaching media. First of all, let me introduce our member. The first is Dea, Eka Meizalfa, and Hafizh. Hi. Okay, so teachers can use various game and quiz-based learning media. For example, it's quizzes, uh, Padlet, Kahoot, and QuizWhizzer. One of several learning media that has easy access and is fun to use in learning is QuizWhizzer. So here I will explain what is QuizWhizzer. QuizWhizzer is a tool designed to improve the classroom experience through gamification without diminishing learning. It adds friendly competition to self-paced quiz games. It's a race to finish where you progress by answering the question. So the point is, QuizWhizzer is a media that can be used to create quizzes in the form of competition and arrange your own track or path according to the wishes of the quiz maker. Users can set and adjust the type of question, the score for each question, the rule for player movement, and their position on the game board, and the quiz maker can run more than them at launch. Okay, that's all from me. The next explanation will be explained by Aura.
Okay, thank you, May. Now I will explain why we choose QuizWhizzer. The main attraction of the app is its interactive and competitive nature. The way it presents could motivate especially young learners to give their best during the test. And to mention more, the usage of an avatar during the test gives a somewhat more personalized experience to the users that take the test. Another reason why we choose QuizWhizzer is because the QuizWhizzer application is an online educational game-based learning media that is quite effective to apply in learning media that is quite effective to apply in learning because of its interactive and interesting nature. Okay, that's all from me. The next part will explain by Dea.
Okay. So I will explain to you all the strength of QuizWhizzer. The first one is a familiar dashboard style quiz organizer. So because it's a familiar, but maybe it's easier for people to um use it because well it's familiar. So it's easier to understand. The second one is clear and eye-pleasing UI. The third one is race-like structure that encourage competition. The fourth one is able to accommodate up to 50 players in a single quiz. The last one is that this particular website is easy to manage. Now I will explain to you all the weaknesses of QuizWhizzer. Okay, the first one is that a lot of features are locked behind a paywall. Second one is limited. There are only a few limited like features in the free version, and the third one there's only like 3 quiz allowed in the to be made in the free plan. I will show you the locked things behind a paywall. As you can see in this one, uh, it's quite there's quite a lot of things that are locked in the paywall, as you can see. Okay, so for the next one will be presented by Hafiz.
Okay, with all the previous subject already explained, let me explain to you how to create the quizzes itself. I mean, QuizWhizzer itself. In the slide, you can see that there is a link to the website that explains further with pictures and description on how to create a quiz. But for now, I will explain it myself. Let me switch the screen first. Okay, the first method is you can access any search engine you like. I prefer Google and search the website itself. See quiz wizard there, and there is the web. Let's click it. Okay, and as you can see, you have arrived in the landing page explaining many information about QuizWhizzer. There's some review. There is the demonstration video, as you can see. So who and what company use QuizWhizzer to create the exams, and some more information. Some more review or review again, and there is the pricing, as explained earlier. Now let's just start to make your account for make with itself. You click the button on the right top of the website. And after that, you have arrived in the register page. Let's use our account. You can use the account if you want, but let's sorry for the interruption. You can see for yourself that you have successfully registered your account into QuizWhizzer. And the next step is some basic information about your account, what will be for the account. There is your name, your account type, your main goal, and how you heard about the app. The last two questions are optional, but the first two are imperative. Let's use okay, the account name, and this is the account type. That's teacher, private tutor, students, corporate, and personal. Let's use personal. The main goal is to then how you heard about the app, it's from YouTube or wherever you heard it. Okay, you have this page, and here is the dashboard, and there is some options. That's active, report, browse, tools, maps, question banks, and avatar. Now we create the quiz itself. Okay, first of all, there are cover photo, there are title, description, language, subject, grade, and some other things. Let's go over and do one. Okay, and choose our photo. Let's choose our title. Like this one. With description or and with the language itself is let's use Indonesian because no, let's use this instead. subject will be about language because it's our major and the grade is for, let's just say, middle school. Thing that's turning on and continue. Okay, now we are done with the basic information and to the quiz maker itself. As you can see, there is the buttons. There are add questions and add slide. Add question. And there it is. It is a multiple choice type of question. Actually, there are many more type of question you can choose, like response, which is multiple question, but you can choose more than one question. Numerical answer, this is mainly for math. Short answer, something like an essay, true, false, dead, drop, ordering, something like yes, ordering, slide, audio answer, and random question. Well, the random question actually require you to access a question bank, but since we have none, let's jump to the multiple question because it is the most simple. Let's create our question first because what we will quiz is English and its subject is language. Let's create a question. We have set the four choices. Let's set the correct answer, which is this one. Could be anything, but just choose which one is the right answer. And just add. Now, okay, sorry. This button is to add more choices, as you can see there. Okay, done. Okay, with that we have create one question, as you can see right here. You can just set the quiz right here, but what are you doing with quiz with the question? Okay, after a while, I have created two additional questions. The second one is this, and the third one is this. Because this is an example question, I will just edit there and save. Now you have successfully created your quiz. You can share it to the students or can modify it further. That's okay. In conclusion, QuizWhizzer is a considerable tool to use as a teaching media specific for quiz activity. Its competitive nature might be able to boost student motivation to do their best in excellent quiz. Although it is come with its own big issue, which is some features that are behind a paywall, it will limit the creative freedom and possibly user interest. And that's it. That's all from us. Okay, that's it. That's all from us. I hopefully that QuizWhizzer will be useful for your teacher. And that's all for today. Try now and Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.